Model 2019 Ford TRANSIT 350 NARK 8L2 diesel front-wheel drive 2.0 TDCi 130ps H2 van spares OR repairs donor van. Body white panel van. Mileage 219,461. Engine 1996 cc 2.0 TDCi 130ps. Transmission 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: no e-runner timing belt has snapped, front and rear lights are missing, man facepalming. Condition summary: bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Genuine honest work van. Features: 0 former keepers, full service history, 2 keys, air con, electric windows, cruise control, parking sensors. EU status: Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.